Very good morning, children. In a previous class, we have completed the lesson 2.5, that is the silver house. In this class, we are going to see a new topic, lesson 2.6, advise customer. Now, advise customer, it means advertisements. Now, children, you have seen many ads, that is advertisement on TV, magazine, banners, either in the books, newspaper, etc. Yes or no, children? Children, why these advertisements are given? The advertisements are given by owners of different companies to tell people about their products, and the aim is to make people buy those products. So, children, the title advice means customer, that means to advertisement. Okay. So, children, in this lesson is an advice given to the customer, and you need to decide carefully if you really need to buy any product or not. So, you should not get tempted. Tempted means that means you should not be in appeal or attractive in hurry because of the attractive packets. Okay. Now, let us see, children, how the advertisement is made. Now you can see in the pictures, it is given in your textbooks what the ad says. Now in the first picture you can see the girl is there and she's feeling very happy. That means crispy crunchy. The ad is given over here about the crispy crunchy of a wafers, and with any kinds of mood, any types of mood. Either we are feeling very happy, either we are very sad, either tired. So we can eat this crispy crunchy. So, children, most of the time the advertisement try to attract the children, and children like the cartoon characters used in the advertisements. Yes or no, children? Now, here the product, the wafers, is children's favorite snack. Now, the advertisement tell you to eat in a different moods. Crispy, crunchy, feeling happy, feeling sad, feeling tired, lost the match, oh, won the cup. Day and night, I like to eat crispy crunchy. Now and then, crispy crunchy. For you and me, crispy crunchy. Now here, the ad is given of crispy crunchy, that in any kind of moods we can eat this chips. Okay, and children, what was that price of that pack is? Crispy crunchy, only rupees 5. Okay, now meanings of the chapter. The first one, impressed. It means feeling admiration for somebody or something because you feel that they are good. Second one, pouches. It means bags that hold something. Third one, nourishing. It means healthy. Fourth one, glowing. Means having a good and healthy color. The chicks. Fifth one, side effect. It means an extra and usually bad effect that a drug, cream has on you at the same time, causing illness, pain, or problem. So, children, now here the meanings is over. Now, children, I would just like to say that from your textbook, workbook, page number 53, if you can see the oral work part, formative evaluation, and that third part, presentation, and in that B1 activity is given to you that watch the ads on TV, choose any one of them for group discussion and analyze, write your report on that. Now the group discussion is not possible right now in this corona period, so I want you to just see individually, children. You will just see one ad. For example, I can give you an example of an ad like Bombita Little Champ. In that ad, it might be everyone has seen this ad, that Kajol ad. It is actress Kajol, and with a little boy, and he's making that Bombita Little Champ, and he's explaining about that how that Bombita Little Champ stresses on the fact that 90% of the brain's development happen before the age of 5 years. So like this way she has just explained about the Bombita Little Champ and about the development of the brains of the kids. Okay, and this statement is followed by some fun conversation with her child, and after which the nutritional benefits came claim of the drink are made. So like this, the ad is given in the TV. So there are so many ads are there. So you can just pick it out any one ad among from them and just write a report on it. That means what you see, just imagine in your mind and just go through on writing. But first of all, just going on writing in a rough work part with a pencil when it is correct, and then afterwards you will just write it in your English workbook. And if you want, you can show that report writing to your parents or other the tuition, any your sister brother, that he can check that either you have wrote a correct or not. Okay. Okay, now let's discuss some question and answer of this chapter, advice customer. And I want you to just student open your textbook page number 40 and 41, because this question and answer is based on this of textbook. So okay, let's start. Question number 1, answer in one sentence. Name the product shown in the ad. Now you can see the pictures is given and what the ad is given over that. The product is of crispy and crunchy. Advertisement is about crispy and crunchy. What is the product packed in? The product is packed in attractive packets or pouches. Pouches means bags that hold something, I has told you in the meaning part. Third one, is this product good for your health? No, this product is not very good for my health. Even I explain you the children why it is not good for your health also. Okay, now fourth one, what is the price of the crispy crunchy? What is the price of crispy crunchy? You can see in your textbook, page number 40. See the right hand side that it is given rupees cost 5. The crispy crunchy cost is rupees 5. Fifth one, is there any offer mentioned? Now you can see there is an offer also mentioned in that page number 40. That yes, it is mentioned that you get one pack of crispy crunchy free if you buy 5 packs. So that means they had made that offer. So like these offers also we can see in the many ads. Yes or no in the TV. Okay, now children, now let's move to assignment number 2. And for that I want you to just open your textbook, page number 42. Okay. Now, can you see in that page number 42 the ads, what's the ad says? As I had explaining about the fairness, the same way all the ads is given in this page also. So let us discuss one with the help of a question and answer. Okay. Answer in one sentence. List the item mentioned for the party. Now, what are the items are mentioned for the party? Just see the picture over there. A new dress, new shoes, and new bangles. The item mentions for the party are new dress, new shoes, and new bangles. For that children, you have to see the ads which is given in the page number 42. Second one, can you say what the relation of the people to Didi is in the first 3 pictures? So in the first 3 pictures, it is the Didi's sister. In the second pictures, it is her father. And in the third picture, it is her mother. Just see the pictures, children. Third one, what is the offer mentioned at the end? Now, in the same page 42, you can see the right hand side, the down part. The offer is given over there. The offer is that you get rupees 10 off on every 100-gram tube or bottle of Hema Gauri. Okay. Fourth one, when does the offer close? Now, when does the offers close? That thing also is mentioned. The offer closes on 1st April. Okay, children.